With less than a month until school starts, believe it or not, lifestyle expert Denise Wild is here with some tips to start the year off smoothly.
Yes.
And that's a big key.
That's a big key, right? We've had a fun, relaxing summer. Now it's time to get back into routine.
Yep.
We're starting to prepare for back to school. And like you said, you know, it's coming up fast.
Yeah, we want that smooth transition from being at home into the classroom.
Right.
So where do you want to start?
Exactly. Okay, so we've got our lists. We're starting to cross it off. We're picking up all of our supplies. Maybe it's the clothing, maybe it's the lunch and snacks, maybe it's the desktop accessories. This is a way that you can help kids in your local area when you are making a purchase at Loblaws and their participating banner stores. Here in Hamilton, it includes Zehrs and Real Canadian Superstore. You can choose to round up your purchase at checkout. 100% of that donation goes to PC Children's Charity, and they are helping to put healthy meals and snacks into kids who are in schools. Last year, almost 1/3 of provincial school kids were supported. So it's just such a great way that you can help kids in your local area, and that's a PC Children's Charity Powerful Kids program.
That's amazing.
You know, an easy way, and you're really helping kids right down the street from wherever you shop.
You're filling two buckets. You're making sure your children are taken care of and helping some others.
Exactly. And you know, it's really important that kids feel full before they go to school so that they can learn and, you know, have a great day and a great experience at school.
All right, we want to keep our kids safe as well, and that includes a different kind of thing. Do we want to start here or do we want to go to the eyewear?
Well, let's do skincare because as we're working on our back to school routines and getting ready for that schedule, you might want to look at your skincare routine too and get that, you know, maybe revise it, maybe bring it up to whatever you're working with. If hormonal breakouts are something that you deal with in your household, this is going to save the day. This is Ducray Carrageenan Resurfacing Global Serum. It is the very first serum that is designed specifically to target and help hormonal breakouts before, during, and after your period. So, you know, it's just a great product for you to have on hand, great for your teen or tween. It uses azelaic acid and glycolic acid to help reduce blemishes and excess oil, helps to smooth skin texture, helps to fade post-acne marks, and, you know, you're revising your skincare routine. Get ready for the year. This is available at pharmacies like Shoppers Drug Mart and on Amazon.
Amazing. And that's a great stress relief for a lot of young women who are going through it.
Exactly. You want to have that confidence when you're going back into school. You want to feel good about yourself, and skincare is a big part of that for a lot of people.
What about eye care and eyeglasses?
Yes, exactly. So let's make sure that kids can see when they go back to school, because that's really important when you're learning. Specsavers has an amazing deal on right now. They have 2 pairs of kids' glasses from just $69. So you can tuck 1 pair in your backpack, leave a pair at home so that you're never scrambling if you leave a pair behind. And, you know, they have so many fun styles to choose from. You can shop all their styles online, see their styles online, including these new Bluey glasses for younger kids. My son is obsessed with Bluey, so this is perfect. And, you know, they just have a really great selection, great deal right now, and you can find your nearest location at specsavers.ca.
Amazing. And I know every time you come, at least most times, we have 90 seconds to do this, we get to have some fun with some arts and crafts.
Let's craft it up for back to school. So what we're doing is we're taking a pair of ordinary canvas shoes. We're going to dress them up. So you take this one, I'll take this one. What we're doing is we're coloring them with permanent marker. Just make any sort of little design and whatnot. What becomes of this is like a DIY tie-dye. So once you color your shoe, do a little pattern on it, dress it up however you want. This is a great project for kids in those last days of summer. Then you're going to spray it with a rubbing alcohol spray. That kind of blends all the colors together, makes them merge and connect, and then you have like a tie-dye effect. So it's really good.
I love it.
See, you're good at this.
What are you drawing on your shoe?
Oh, I haven't started yet. I was too busy talking.
So I've drawn a heart on my shoe because a lot of people love going back to school.
So here, you can cover the entire shoe. You could just add little designs, but when you do that rubbing alcohol spray, it just spreads everything out so you can have a tie-dye.
And so how long do you have to let it dry for after you spray it?
Well, I mean, by the next morning, it'll be totally fine.
So this could be even like the weekend before school.
Exactly. You go back to school and you have a great little style and some personality.
Amazing. amazing. So I'm a size 10, Denise.
These will not fit, but thank you for doing these. I'll give them to my daughter.
We'll get them all decorated out. Thank you so much for joining us and offering some great advice and some tips for getting back to school with a bang. Thank you so much.
Happy back to school.
More Morning Live coming up.